I was sent this set of 40 of these weatherproof wire nut caps. And here's how they're going to be shipped to you in the box. You're going to get 40 of them. They just come loose. And these things are great. If you're doing any low voltage lighting outside and you don't want to deal with using a ton of conduit or using any fancy waterproof connectors, then you can just take your wire and then spin that wire together and jam it in here. You can see it's got that flexible opening there where that plastic will bend in and it'll grab onto the wire, and it's full of silicone in here. So you've got a waterproof connection happening just by using the wire nut. So you're just going to jam your wire in there, and that silicone is going to ooze out, and it's going to seal all around the water repelling part that you need. So you're going to put the metal part for your raw wire inside the wire nut, twist it nice and tight, screw it in, and then you're going to see some of that silicone come back flowing out a little bit, and then just seals all around, so water just won't penetrate because the water's not going to go through that silicone. Very, very cool how these are so handy. You get a set of 40 for these, and it's a really good amount, because if you're doing a set of in-ground low voltage wires, you're going to need a lot of these, because on each connection you'll have two. So you're going to be using two for every single light, plus others just here and there. So definitely a good deal, because you get 40 of them all in one pack. And any project you're going to take on, you're going to have plenty of these wire nuts that you'd need to do that job. So hey, I hope this is helpful to learn a little bit more about the silicone embedded wire nuts. Hope this information is useful to you. And as always, hope you have a great day.